Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this iPhone case cover. This one fits the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It has got super touch sensitivity. This will fit up to the iPhones of 6.7 inches. Alright, so right here we have this case. This is for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This was offered in several different colors. You've got blue, black, lavender, light pink, mint green, brown, and pine green. So first off, you can see that it is a nice quality. It does have a see-through back. You do get a full body protection. So right here are the ports for your microphone and your charging port. And it does have a screen protector in the front. So right here is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. We're just going to go ahead and put this inside the case. It is super easy to remove. You just grab the little flaps here on the side, pull down, and it should pop up the screen. So this has an anti-scratch resistant. It is water resistant, fingerprint resistant. It does have a built-in anti-scratch screen protector. It is not a glass protector. It's just a little screen protector that goes over it. So you'll just take your phone, pop it in here. Then we'll go and take the back side and put it on. I always put it on using the top part. Makes it a lot easier, or you can do the bottom part. So you just slide it in there and it pops right in. So it has got raised edges. It's for the screen and camera protection. The raised edges designs for anti-scratching. So it is a 1.8 millimeter raised screen to edge. It's 1.5 millimeter raised camera edge. So it protects your camera, your buttons. You can see right there, it is all protected. It works with the wireless charging. It supports the wireless charging, no signal interference, because it's got this clear back. It has an excellent grip, so you don't have to worry about dropping it. So then you've got your speakers at the bottom, so it doesn't obstruct the speakers or the microphone. So if you're looking for a nice, secure case for your iPhone 12 Pro Max, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one's super nice. It's dropped a few times and it hasn't even broke.